In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage slides in PowerPoint. Whether you're polishing a deck for work or building a class presentation, mastering slide views, notes, and sections will save you time and make your delivery smoother. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to manage. You'll start in Normal View, which is the main editing workspace. On the left, you'll see a vertical pane with your slide thumbnails. Click any thumbnail to jump to that slide. In the main area, edit content just like you would in a document. This is your home base for building and refining slides. To quickly reorganize your deck, switch to Slide Sorter View using the button at the bottom of the window. Here, every slide appears as a thumbnail, making it easy to see the overall flow. Drag and drop slides to reorder them until the sequence tells the story you want. When you want a quick preview without going full screen, click Reading View. This opens your slides in a window with simple navigation controls, perfect for a fast check of animations or pacing. For a true rehearsal, start Slideshow View by clicking Slideshow or pressing F5. This is full screen, exactly how your audience will see it. Move your mouse to bring up on-screen tools like the pen and highlighter, handy for emphasizing key points during a live presentation. Now let's add speaker notes to keep your delivery on track. In Normal View, locate the Notes pane at the bottom. If it's hidden, click Notes to show it. Click inside the pane and type the reminders you want to say, not what's already on the slide. You can drag the top edge of the pane to resize it for more room. For a more spacious layout, go to the View tab and choose Notes page. Here, each slide appears with its notes on a dedicated page. Add or edit your notes and use your mouse wheel or arrow keys to move through slides. To review all your text at once, go to the View tab and click Outline View. This displays the slide titles and body text in a clean outline. You can edit text directly here, which is great for fixing wording or checking hierarchy. Click Normal to return. To organize larger decks, create sections. Select the slide where a new section should begin. Go to the Home tab, choose Section, and click Add Section. To rename it, select Section and then rename Section and enter a clear label. Repeat to structure your deck by topic or phase. Use the small arrow next to a section name to expand or collapse it, keeping your focus on what you're working on. Use these views to plan, notes to present confidently, and sections to stay organized. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.